Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Pearl and Chrome series, and this is a number 2 in this series, and this is a twin mill. So I personally don't like fantasy cars just because twin mill is like the popular car for Hot Wheels. So I bought like 2 or 3 of them in various iterations, like the Braille one and the tuned one, and there is one more which I unboxed. I think Team Extreme one. So that one I personally loved because of the color scheme. So let's unbox this one and see how it looks. Okay, here it is. So let's have a closer look. Okay, so this one looks really nice. It's flatted out everywhere. I think it's a little bit more flatter than the Team Extreme one which I unboxed some time back. It looks that way. So unfortunately I don't have it here right in front of me. I usually have it in the cases which I normally have. So I will do a comparison for sure at some point, maybe next in this upcoming weeks, but right now I can't able to do that. I'm really sorry for that one as well. Okay, the interior is also like chromed out or golded out. The paint job looks really nice. See, there are some irregularities in the paint here if you guys see. There is not even a paint job for the lights here. It used to have a lights here actually, but here it doesn't have anything. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, this is smooth. That is smooth. That is smooth. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.